Our eyes are amazing organs letting us see the world around us. But did you know they need a constant supply of blood to stay healthy? Just like every other part of our body, our eyes need oxygen and nutrients that are carried in our blood. These vital substances are delivered to the eyes through a network of tiny blood vessels. These vessels are so small and intricate that they're like the delicate branches of a tree, reaching every corner of your eye to nourish and support its delicate structures. Without a healthy blood supply, our eyes wouldn't be able to function properly. We need good blood flow to see clearly, perceive colors, and even blink. It's like watering a plant. Without enough water, it withers and dies. Similarly, without enough blood flow, our eyes would suffer. That's why it's so important to keep our circulatory system healthy. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding smoking are all crucial for maintaining good blood flow throughout our body, including our precious eyes. Now let's talk about intraocular pressure, or IOP, which is the pressure inside our eyes. You can think of it like the air pressure in a car tire. It needs to be just right for the tire to function properly. Similarly, our eyes need a balanced IOP for optimal vision. The fluid inside our eyes, called aqueous humor, is constantly being produced and drained to maintain this pressure. Blood flow plays a critical role in this process. If the blood flow to the structures responsible for producing or draining this fluid is disrupted, it can lead to imbalances in IOP. High IOP is a major risk factor for glaucoma, a serious eye condition that can damage the optic nerve and lead to vision loss. It's like having too much air in that car tire. It can cause a blowout. That's why it's essential to have regular eye exams, especially as we age or if we have other risk factors for glaucoma. Early detection and treatment can help protect our vision and keep our eyes healthy. Now let's zoom in on the optic nerve, which is like the information highway connecting our eyes to our brain. This bundle of nerve fibers carries the visual information gathered by our eyes to the brain, where it's interpreted into the images we see. Just like any highway, the optic nerve needs to be clear and unobstructed for information to flow smoothly. High IOP, for instance, can damage the optic nerve, disrupting this flow of visual information. It's like having a traffic jam on the highway, preventing cars from reaching their destination. Damage to the optic nerve can lead to vision problems, including blindness. That's why maintaining a healthy IOP and overall eye health is crucial for protecting this vital nerve. Section 4. The amazing autonomic nervous system. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of the autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for many automatic functions in our body, including those in our eyes. You can think of it as the control center behind the scenes, working tirelessly to keep things running smoothly without us even thinking about it. The autonomic nervous system controls essential ocular functions like pupil dilation and constriction, adjusting our eyes to different light conditions. Imagine walking out of a dark movie theater into bright sunlight. Your pupils automatically constrict to protect your eyes from the intense light. This incredible system also regulates tear production, keeping our eyes lubricated and comfortable. It even influences the production and drainage of aqueous humor, playing a role in maintaining that all-important IOP we discussed earlier. Section 5. Protecting your precious vision. Now let's talk about Neuro Protection, which is all about protecting our nerves, including the ones in our eyes. Just like we wear helmets to protect our heads, we need to take steps to protect our delicate nervous system. Maintaining a healthy blood flow and balanced IOP are crucial for neuroprotection in the eyes. High blood pressure, for instance, can damage blood vessels in the eyes, disrupting blood flow and potentially harming the optic nerve. It's like having potholes on that information highway, disrupting the smooth flow of traffic. By managing our blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar, we can help protect the delicate blood vessels in our eyes and support optimal nerve function. Think of it as maintaining that vital information highway, ensuring clear and efficient communication between our eyes and our brain. Section 6. Keeping your eyes healthy for life. Just like we take care of our heart, lungs, and other vital organs, we need to prioritize our eye health. Simple lifestyle choices can make a world of difference in protecting our precious vision. Eating a colorful diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids can nourish our eyes from within. Regular exercise not only benefits our overall health but also improves blood flow to our eyes, delivering those vital nutrients and oxygen. Protecting our eyes from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses and scheduling regular comprehensive eye exams are also essential for maintaining long-term eye health. Remember, prevention is key. By understanding the intricate connection between blood flow, nerve function, and eye health, we can make informed choices to protect our precious vision and enjoy a lifetime of clear sight. Specialized ophthalmic acupuncture can be effective in treating many eye conditions. Schedule an initial intake with professional acupuncturist Michael Woodworth at Makari Wellness to see if specialized neuro-ocular acupuncture may help your condition.